Hello everybody, this is Tanya Atomic. I'm going to be unboxing Boxycharm for January. And Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. Here's the box. It's a monthly subscription. That's about $25. Inside you got 5 full-size products. So it actually a good deal, considering a lot of times if you're buying skincare or makeup, it's at least $25 for one thing at times. So here is, you get a card with everything, and with each box it tells you what's going on. The first thing here is Rehydrating Ginseng Toner from Elemis. This looks like a really big box here. It says that it's worth $37, so that pays for the box alone. And I'm happy to get this because I accidentally, I had a toner I was using. I still have a little bit, but I accidentally spilled it the other day. So don't scratch my Ames chair, baby. Just don't do it. I got Mondu's in here. He loves it. The cats love my Ames chair. I have a purple wool fiberglass shell Herman Miller Ames chair, and the cats love it. They really love to sit on it. Oh, here he is. Don't scratch me. No. He's still, even looks full grown, right? He looks like an adult cat. No. But he's a baby. So he still scratches and acts out and runs around as a baby. Okay, then we've got Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer. Okay, I still have some eyeshadow primer, but I can use this one when the other one is out, and I'll see how I like it. It is $22. Then I've got this Persona E-Balm, it says, in Manifest. So, and I am a person, I love lip balms so much. And I think it's a tinted, oh, this is tinted. Let's see. Oh, that's not bad. I mean, for lip balm, lightly tinted. That looks really pretty. I will definitely find a use for that. That is $22 also. Then we've got, this is Item Beauty. And it is, this is like a lipstick. What's up, Mondu? What's up, Mondu? So cute. He's got, I just got home, so he's like super excited. He always runs around and is super excited when I just get home. Oh, okay, that's cool. It looks like a tinted lip balm again. Yeah. So 2 tinted lip balms, but you know what? I'm happy with that because I use these all the time and I will use them up. And that one was $16. And then we actually have an eyeshadow palette in here, and it is from Wander Beauty, Sweet Escape. Let's open this up because I'm pretty excited to see what it looks like. Sweet Escape. So it's like a vacation. It's like not vacation time in my life at all right now. So for me, it's like, it doesn't, I don't relate. I'll put it that way. I don't relate because it doesn't feel like a vacation time at all. So I'm not like thinking about going to the hotel or whatever. Maybe it's a business sweet escape. Well, escape from your sweet, I don't know, I'm just saying words now. Okay, so Wonder Sweet Escape. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. So that's the palette. That's gorgeous. It's like violets, purples. There's one kind of brown, neutral brown. The rest of them are violety, purpley colors. And then you've got this white, or no, it's not white even. You've got like a couple, it's like a light champagne. And then we've got a couple sort of coppery, like the top is the top a coppery purple? I think so. And then that's a coppery and then a purple shimmer. These are so pretty. I'm really excited about this palette because purples look good against, like, my skin's yellow, so it's a nice contrast. It looks pretty on me. I'm actually wearing like a lavender purple today. So, yeah. I'm really excited about this. I really like this. And I like the different, like, kind of plummy tones and stuff. So, yeah, I'm really excited about this. This was worth $42. So, you're getting a good value, really good value with this box. So, what did you guys think? Do you want to see me try on anything? Do you also get Boxycharms? Did you get different stuff? Did you like this stuff? Let me know in the comments below. And, let me know questions, anything, what you guys are thinking on, what's on your mind. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.